Hello children, today we will learn about subtraction. The terms take away and find the difference imply subtraction. We can get the answer from how many left, how many more, how many less than. Find the difference of two numbers through subtraction. We will know how to do subtraction without regrouping or without borrowing. Let's come to both. Subtraction without regrouping. After that, we will know how to do subtraction with regrouping or with borrowing. So subtraction without regrouping. There is one question, subtract 72 from 85. Now, before doing subtraction, we have to keep this in mind that we should always subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Smaller number from the greater number. So, the two numbers we are getting in subtraction. So, at first doing subtraction, we have to compare the two numbers. So, let us compare. Compare 72 and 85. We can see that 72 is smaller than 85. That means 85 is bigger number. Before doing subtraction, we have to write the units, ones, tens and 100. So 85 we are writing, as it is bigger number, 85 we are writing above, and down we are doing the writing the number 72. Now look at this one, 85. 85 in subtraction is known as minuend, and 72 is known as subtrahend. Now what is minuend? Minuend is the number which is being subtracted from, and subtrahend the number which is subtracted. Now we are getting, we will get out, take out the answer, that is 5 is above, 2 is down. So when 5 will come on our counting, we will stop. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is at 3 place. So we will write 3 here. 7. After 7, 8. That means 1 place. We will write here 1. And the answer is 13. So the answer is also known as difference. So the greater number is termed as minuend. Smaller number is termed as subtrahend. And the answer which we are getting by doing the subtraction is known as difference. Now let us show you another example. Box, there are 20 pencils. I gave to my sister 10 pencils. So now how many pencils are left in my box? So 20 pencils in all in a box. I gave to my sister 10 pencils. So I have written the units, ones and tens. Now we will do the subtraction. As we said that bigger number is known as minuend, smaller number is known as subtrahend. The answer which we will get is known as difference. So down and above 0, so it will be 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 2. So when 2 will come on counting, we will stop. After 1, 2. 2 is at 1's place. So we will write here 1. So what will be the answer? Now I have 10 pencils in all. We will know how to do subtraction with regrouping or with borrowing. The question is here, subtract 125 from 250. So after form, the bigger number is after form. So we will put 250 above, or we can say 250 as minuend and 125 smaller number or subtrahend. Now as we know that in subtraction always above will be the bigger number or the greater number. So here in ones place we can see 0 is above 5, which is smaller than 5. So we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So how to make it as bigger? So we will borrow from tens 1 tens. So let us borrow from tens 1 tens. So as we borrowed from tens ones, so we will make it here 10 and as we have borrowed here 1 tens, so it will be lessened into 4. Now we can see that 10 is bigger than 5. Now we can subtract in the ones unit. 5, after 10 will come, we will stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 has come in the 5 place. So we will write here 5. Now we will go to the tens place. Have of 4 and down 2. 4 is bigger than 2. So we will subtract now 2 from 4. 2, 3, 4. It's 2 place. Here already 2 is bigger than 1. So no need to do anything. Just we will put here 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 125, which we say as difference. Now let us see another example of subtraction with regrouping or borrowing. In a shop, there are 782 sweets. 782 sweets, total number of sweets in a shop. The shopkeeper has sold 405 sweets in all. Shopkeeper sold 405 sweets in all. Now, you will have to find out how many sweets are left. So, in a shop, total there are 782 sweets. Shopkeeper sold in a whole day 405 sweets. So, how many sweets are left? So, let us do the subtraction. See, we know that bigger number will be a minuend. This is bigger number. This is smaller number, 405. That is subtrahend. Now, in doing the subtraction in ones place, we can see that 2, which is smaller than 5. So, we cannot do the subtraction. So, we have to make 2 as a bigger number than 5. So, we have to borrow from tens place 1 tens. So, as we borrow from tens place 1 tens, it will 12 will come tens 1 tens we have borrowed. So, it will form 12 here. And as we borrowed from tens place 1 tens, then 8 will be lessened and it will come as 7. Now let us do this ones place subtraction. Now it is 12 and down is 5. We can do subtraction. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's coming 7. Okay. Now next come to tens place. Tens place. Here 7 above and 0 down, which is already 7 bigger than 0. So we will, as 0 has no value, we will put here 7. Now we are coming to the hundreds place. Already 7 is bigger than 4. So nothing we have to do, just we will do the subtraction. After 4, when 7 will come, we'll stop. 5, 6, 7. 7 has come in 3 place. So this is the answer. 377 sweets are left. We have learned how to do now subtraction without regrouping and with regrouping. Hope you have understood now. Okay, bye bye. See you again.